Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Pots and Pan Set, a 6-piece multi-ply clad collection designed for versatility and performance. Right off the bat, let's talk about what's included in this 6-piece set. You get 2 saucepans, a 1.5 quart and a 3 quart, both with their respective lids. Then there's the star of the show for larger batches, an 8-quart stockpot, also with a lid. These sizes are pretty standard and cover a good range of cooking needs, from simmering sauces and cooking oatmeal in the smaller pan, to making pasta, soups, and stews in the larger stockpot. Now, the heart of any good cookware lies in its construction, and this is where the Cook Standard set really shines with its multi-ply clad design. This isn't just a single layer of stainless steel. Instead, it features a combination of high-quality 1810 stainless steel with a multi-element aluminum core. This construction creates a permanent bond that extends not just across the bottom of the pan, but all the way up the side walls. What this means for you is phenomenal heat distribution. Heat travels evenly and rapidly through the entire pan body, not just the bottom. This is crucial because it minimizes hot spots. You know those annoying areas where food tends to burn or stick while the rest of the pan is still cool. This design actively fights against that, leading to more consistent cooking and, frankly, less frustration in the kitchen. It enhances cooking efficiency by ensuring everything heats up uniformly and cooks at the same rate. The benefits of this excellent heat distribution are immediately apparent when you start cooking. You'll notice less burning and sticking, more even browning, and a general sense of control over your culinary creations. Whether you're searing a delicate piece of fish or slowly simmering a rich sauce, the consistent heat helps achieve better results. Beyond the construction, Cook Standard has put thought into the user experience. The ergonomic handles are made of stainless steel and are riveted for durability. They've incorporated an airflow technology, which is a fancy way of saying they're designed to stay cooler to the touch while you're cooking, making them more comfortable to hold. The tempered glass lids are also a great feature. They allow you to easily monitor your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid and lose precious heat and steam. Plus, each lid has a steam vent, which is essential for preventing boiling over, especially when cooking liquids like milk or pasta water. Compatibility is another huge plus for this set. It works with virtually every stovetop you can imagine: induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen. So, no matter what you have in your kitchen, this cookware should fit right in. And for those times when you need to move from stovetop to oven, the entire set is oven safe up to a very respectable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is also a breeze. The set is dishwasher safe, meaning you can simply pop them in the dishwasher after you're done. So, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the multi-ply clad construction is a major win, offering superior heat distribution and preventing hot spots, which is fundamental for good cooking. The inclusion of multiple useful sizes in the set makes it a great starting point or addition for many kitchens. The ergonomic, stay-cool handles and the well-designed glass lids with steam vents enhance the cooking experience and safety. And the wide compatibility with all stovetops and oven-safe capability offer excellent versatility. The dishwasher-safe feature is, of course, a convenience many of us appreciate. Now for some considerations. While this is a great set, it is a 6-piece set, which might be a bit limited for some home cooks who need larger frying pans or more specialized pots. The price point for a multi-ply clad set is generally competitive, but it's always worth comparing against other brands. Also, while the handles are designed to stay cooler, they will still get hot if directly exposed to prolonged high heat, as with any metal handle, so using oven mitts or pot holders is still a good practice. Finally, as with any stainless steel cookware, it does require a bit of care and attention to prevent sticking, especially with delicate foods, though the even heat distribution significantly mitigates this issue. Overall, the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Pots and Pans set is a solid performer that delivers on its promise of excellent heat distribution and durable construction. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware to a more efficient and reliable system. The thoughtful design elements, from the multi-ply clad construction to the ergonomic handles and functional lids, make cooking a more enjoyable and successful process. Link in the description.